How to reset your Apple ID password if you forgot it. First, you want to open up your browser, and once you open up your browser, you want to search for apple.com/accounts accounts. Wait for some time. Once you search for it, it's going to take you to this page. Over here, you can just click on the three line at the top right. Once you click on the three line, click on support. Click on the option over here by scrolling down, Apple account and password. It'll take you to this page. Over here, scroll down, click on reset your password. And if you don't want to go through all this trouble, you can always just type this iforgot.apple.com. It'll just straight up take you to the password resetting page as well. All right, click on reset password. Over here, you're going to see this option. Click on reset my password. It's going to ask for your face ID. Once you verify your face ID, over here, enter your new password, enter it again to confirm it, and click on continue, and your password will be changed. That's how you guys can reset your Apple ID's password if you forgot it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.